Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a very short amount of time before my Uber gets here. I am going on a trip that I actually manifested without even realizing that I was manifesting, but that's just how life is. Life is a constant manifestation of itself. So I am going to the Ron Clark Academy for 3 days, and my school is actually sending me. I work at a school where we are really striving to be the public school version of the Ron Clark Academy. So that is where I'm going. I manifested this. So how I did this, and I'll talk about it really quick, is in 2019, right when I discovered I was not going to be teaching, like I got let go for my first year teaching job, I went to the Impact Driven Teaching Conference with a bunch of other teacher YouTubers, and there were speakers, and it was a really great experience. It was in Miami. I have a vlog about it, and I saw Kim Bearden speak, and as she was speaking, she was talking about this Ron Clark Academy, and I was like, I would love to experience that. I would love to teach there. I would love to see what it would be like. Like, that would be something I would love to do. Left it. Put that intention out, left it. Fast forward 4 years later, I randomly got this teaching position. I have a whole video about it linked down below. It's how I manifested this teaching job. And they are replicating in Las Vegas the Ron Clark Academy experience. So, long story short, I am experiencing it because I let go, I surrendered, I didn't worry about the how, and it's happening now. I'm getting to go to the actual Ron Clark Academy completely free. By the way, my school's paying for everything, food, flight, all of it, Ubers, everything. So I'm super grateful, and this is actually going to be a huge reflection for me because there are so many shifts changing in my life. Hang tight, you're gonna love the vlog. Enjoy, and I'll see you after the experience. So it is nighttime, like 11:30, and my luggage got lost. So I do not have my luggage, and rookie move, I did not pack any additional clothes on my carry-on. So therefore, we went to Target, and I bought an outfit for tomorrow-ish, this whole weekend, and it's all good and fine. Makeup wipes, I got like a sports bra, pajamas, this sweatshirt and sweatsuit, but I forgot socks, which is a bummer. But anyways, I'm just riding it out like it's not a big deal to me. I really see it as, what is it, like a movie, like it is what it is. But the hotel is very beautiful, like the most beautiful hotel I think I've ever stayed in. I think it's called the Willie. I don't even know. I'm just gonna show it off really quick. Here we go. There we go. And then look, it's just very aesthetically pleasing. Like, and we got wings. Just very aesthetically pleasing. Very nice, actually. My favorite hotel I've ever been in. So the Ron Clark Academy is, I think, at 8. I don't know. We'll see. Good morning. It is day number 2. I haven't been vlogging that much. My apologies. It's just been a little cray cray, but not really, like cray cray in the best way possible. So yesterday had the academy, it was fabulous, it was great. I have so many thoughts on it, but I'm gonna wait to the end. So today is day 2. We have our house shirts on and we got to choose which house shirt we wanted. So I chose the green, which is team, I do not know what the name is. I can't even see it. But I chose this house because this house represents like courageous, like a lion, and lion is my spirit animal. So I chose this one. So it's gonna be fun. I am really enjoying the experience. I think it's so much fun. Hotlanta, Atlanta, I love you. Like tomorrow we're gonna do a lot more exploring before our flight takes off, but, and honestly, even though my baggage is gone, I went to Target yesterday and got a couple more things. So I got like a Tarte palette out of random, that's what I'm wearing today. And then I got some foundation because I was just feeling so naked yesterday, which was fine, but I'm like, I need a revamp for today, for day 2. So this is my outfit, same freaking pants I wore on the plane because that's all I have. So we doing it. You know what, I do hope like I get my luggage back, and I was even telling my husband like it's kind of weird I'm across the country with none of my stuff. But I guess that's the way the cookie crumbles in this movie. All right, I will see you for day 2 for the Ron Clark. Hello. It is, let's fast forward, I don't even know, December 21st, it's winter solstice today. And I've been home for over a week, and I wanted to do a proper outro to this video because I learned so much about myself, about teaching, just about everything. Now, I know I didn't record, honestly, I don't really know what I recorded. I'm just gonna hand this off to my editor. She's gonna do an amazing job. Thank you, Getta. I learned a lot. And if you ever go to RCA, I highly recommend it, especially if you are a teacher that loves teaching, or especially if you are just someone that wants to be in a very high vibrational space around education, around like truly activating you to a new level. Like that is the best way I can explain what the Ron Clark Academy was like for me. And one of the key things that I took away from the experience was one of the keynote speakers, which, by the way, I had so many synchronicities on this trip, and I knew I would. Like this was a manifested trip. Like it activated so much for me. But one of the takeaways I got was one of the keynote speakers talked about how, this is the message I got, we need teachers to stay in the classroom. Like, we need you. And I give you so much of my love and gratitude for being in the classroom. And even like my husband's thinking about going into the classroom and being a teacher, I'm here to support him. And I'm here to support you too. Like, it doesn't matter. Like, what I mean by that is like, there have been very big things that have happened in my life, at my job, at my teaching job. And yes, I am at the most beautiful divine school for me, has my name on it and everything. However, something happened at the school with a coworker. Fine, I'm not gonna get into details, but what it really showed me was like, I can't fully thrive here. And it's like, I can't fully be myself and be my light and impact the people and activate the people who I'm here to impact. So at the Ron Clark Academy, the keynote speaker talked about how, yes, teachers are needed inside the classroom, yes, but they're also needed like in the entrepreneur space. It's all I freaking needed to know. Like, I've had this yearning to help other teachers start businesses. I've had a yearning to help other people believe in themselves and create this business, because I'm telling you, okay, listen, sorry, someone's raking the concrete. Like, someone is raking the street. If you have a passion to create and you're calling, and it's like, it's not being quiet and it won't dim down and it's just like kind of wreaking havoc on your life, that's been me for the past 5 years, I am here to help you step into your power. I am here to help you up level. I am now offering one-on-one business coaching. So email me down below. The link to sign up will be down below. Free 30-minute call. Whatever you need help with, I'm here to help you. Again, I have a podcast, YouTube channel, create, sell masterclasses, digital courses. Like, I've done it all. Like, I've done it. I've invested in myself. I'm ready. I'm here. Let's do the damn thing. At the time I'm recording this, I am launching my annual Goal Set to Manifest masterclass. Like, right now it's a masterclass, but as years go on, it's going to be turning into a full-blown course. So if you want to get your hands on the masterclass where I teach you how to create a vision board that will actually manifest for you, because I go so deep in the energetics of you. Like, I am able to tell you exactly what would be the most beneficial for you to attract these desires into your life. I'm good at this stuff, I'm telling you. So for example, for me, what's best for me is to not necessarily like visualize with my mind's eye, but really to feel the vibration of what I am trying to manifest and call in, or what I am manifesting and calling in. And something that has really just been such a block for me over these past years is like being honest with myself with what I truly want and desire. It took me 5 mother effing years to admit that teaching's not for me. It took me to every single year be constantly dealt with more and more and more and more and more reasons as to why I'm not supposed to be a teacher in the traditional sense of the classroom. So I want to get you to that point. I have a very special gift to where I am able to see you and see your full potential without any questions asked. I know it exists because I see it. Like, it's just a gift I have. And I'm able to, 1, monetize that gift. 2, I can teach you how to monetize your gift. Monetize just means make money off of it. And 3, like, we don't have to work so effing hard to earn a paycheck. Like, we don't have to. We could just be ourselves and like live on our own frequency and lifestyle and just be a light for others to just learn from, gravitate towards. It doesn't have to be so hard. I know, like, growing up, we were made to believe it had to be hard, but it really doesn't. So I know this vlog was all over the place. It's fine. That's just how I am. That's just who I am. I'm a little bit all over the place, whatever. And there are going to be so many more vlogs in 2023. Like, the channel, I'm so excited for 2023 because it is an opportunity for me to step into my power and like to create what I want to create. So let me know in the comments down below if there's anything in particular you want me to make a video on. I'm going to be doing vlogs. I'm going to be also putting my podcast on a video format and uploading it onto this channel as well. And this is something I want to talk about because it's coming up. I have invested into business coaches. I have invested so heavily into other coaches and healers and all of that. And one of the things that I heard, and I listen to a lot of like business podcast stuff too, a little bit less now that I'm like in my power and doing my thing, but one of the pieces of advice I heard or was told was like my YouTube channel should be separated. Like, yes, I came from teaching. I started this channel from teaching, but it should be separated into a new thing because now I'm doing energy healing. Did I mention that? Yes, I'm getting certified energy healing as we speak. So that's gonna be me again stepping into my power and like healing you and helping you up level. One of the pieces of advice that kind of was like, you know, put into my reality that was here for me to respond to was I should separate my YouTube channel. Like, create a new YouTube channel for all my energy stuff, my podcast stuff, like the evolution of me. And I don't want to. So I'm gonna keep everything on this YouTube channel because like the whole purpose of me creating my channel was to share. So I'm gonna share my life. Like, whatever I wanna create, I'm gonna share up there. You're my people. You are here for me. You've been here for 5+ years. Like, you, even if you came 2 years ago, like, this is an entire journey. Like, my entire journey is on YouTube and I'm so grateful. I can't, like, money cannot, like, it doesn't, you know what I mean? Like, there's things that money can't buy, or like, there's things that don't make logical sense, but like, I don't play in the world of logic at all. I play on the world of desire and magic. So anyways, Goal Set to Manifest masterclass will be linked down below. If you watch this way in the future, just sign up and get on the email list, or like follow me on Instagram too, because I launch things a lot. I love launching for my business. I love helping you with the programs I create, with the courses I create. Like, investing in yourself in a course, masterclass, coach, podcast episode, YouTube, whatever literally quantum leaps you to a higher timeline, to your higher version of yourself. And I'm here to serve you. I'm here to do this for you. I'm so excited. Anyways, subscribe to my podcast. Season 2 is coming out. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. That's the most important thing I need you to know. Follow me on Instagram because that is like my hub for everything. And I will see you in 2023. Or actually, when this is launched or like put out, it is my birthday. So January 2nd is my birthday. So Capricorn gang, thank you so much. And I will see you in my next video or on Instagram or on the podcast, or I'll see you in the masterclass, even better. It's gonna be live. I'm gonna be doing activations. Like, I'm going to be taking you to your future self, to where you can feel it and tap into it, and then therefore you can attract it even easier. So just so you know, see you there. And there's live recording too. So, all right, I will definitely see you later. Bye. Also, I forgot to mention that no, my luggage was never found. So it's been interesting. Like, all of my clothes are pretty much in there. I don't have a lot of clothes. Really, since I've moved and like taught special ed and stuff, I didn't have a lot of clothes. So I had to like go get these sweats. Yeah, I'm still wearing them, like whatever. Okay, had to let you know on that.